Nature is the only place that doesn't discriminate. Nature is the only place that wouldn't discriminate. That wouldn't ask you, are you a Christian? Are you a Muslim? Are you a traditionalist? Nature is the only place that wouldn't discriminate. Nature wouldn't ask you, are you straight or the other one? But nature doesn't like the other one. Nature will never discriminate. Nature will accept everyone. Male, female, Christian, Muslim. Nature wouldn't discriminate. Nature would like to accept anyone. Bro, you gotta live with love.
That provides. You can't do it for you.
Okay.
So you see the app people giving them a video.
Okay. You do everything for you.
And that time, you see this Tony Day where they get the car for it down.
Okay. Shout to that for vibes. I learned the video was shot here.